thing's just a hot mess. I mean, this thing's been dead for a long time, really. It's a shame, too, because it's blue, even though it isn't anymore. But I think I'm about to just hack it up and get rid of it, because why am I wasting time? You know, I've been trying to basically save it this whole time, and it's just not working. I mean, it's just dead on the bottom. Yeah, the tips have it, but I tried putting some fertilizer on it. Nothing. Didn't work. Yeah, I think it's you know, I just cut it. It's a goner. That's it. It's going in the fire pit. That's sometimes you just have to make that call and move on. I don't like killing things. You know, especially plants and trees. I try to save a lot of them, but you know what it is too? I do want more exotic stuff up here, and in the beginning I just planted anything I could in a lot of spots. Cost effective. I didn't know any better, or you know, I didn't go after the higher end stuff. A lot of the stuff in there was just placed anywhere, but the reason being is because of every time you put a shovel here, you hit rock, and I had to hold back this land. I'll probably show you. I have pictures of what it used to look like, but now I'm to the point where I am buying the more expensive trees, the exotic stuff, not just always evergreens. You know, I'm definitely looking for that Japanese look, so I'm going to replace it with something with some sort of color, some blue, maybe what it's supposed to look like. It was rooted. It did come up easy. I pulled it out. Now it's time. You need a fire pit. I mean, there's just so many branches and stuff that falls, even from the trees. It's a lot to bag up. And you know what? You know how it is with branches. They don't want to bag anyway. Look at all this stuff I got to clean out. I throw it in here. I burn it. Actually got to clean out this fire pit because, I mean, I throw a lot of stuff in here to get rid of it. And every windstorm, you'll find branches that fall down. It just makes it easier. I have these that came down. Actually, it was on my neighbor's property right here. I cut these up. Actually, it's probably a part of my tree. Yeah, I think it was. And then it's here. I'm actually going to grab more of that as much as I can from over the fence and then cut it up and then burn it also. Because why not? You know, any branches I find on her property, I also put up here in my fire pit. Looks like this thing has had it. This thing is ancient. This old fence, I actually fixed it when I first moved here. Yeah, it's really in bad shape. Yeah, looks like it's totally rotted away. Actually, I painted it black. It looked pretty nice, but that was years ago. I got to trim that off too. But see, everywhere you go, there's always something to do. But when you start to get the lawn together, like I am right now, you know, the lawn's starting to look good. It's grabbing. It's looking decent. Yeah, I got to do a little raking here. I got some spots still that are coming in. But we're in April. We're in the rainy season. This is actually going to look the best, too. Killing off a lot of crabgrass also. Of course, there's some spots here. But that's crabgrass right there, definitely. Maybe I wouldn't have too crazy with the spray. But at the same point, I could always green it up, throw some iron in here, which I'm planning on doing. But a lot of these spots, these were crabgrass zones. And I want to nip it in the bud as fast as possible, because I'll tell you, crabgrass would probably be the ultimate lawn. It is hardy as hell. I mean, that's mostly what I think I see in Florida. It looks like always crabgrass. I mean, you can't kill the stuff. It grows in the winter. It just doesn't matter. But of course, probably like you hate the way it looks, just like me. So